Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. So here I put out all kinds of braid work, from knotless braids, individual braids, box braid, stitch braids, crochet braids. So anything braids, that's what I put out. Okay, so to avoid missing any of my video, please subscribe. So as you can see, I'm trying to loop in my client's natural hair into the crochet braids. Okay, I'm trying to loop it in, but because this is actually a colored crochet hair, so you tend to see my client's hair. Okay, but if it was a black crochet hair, you won't even know the difference between my client's hair and the crochet hair. Okay, this if you don't really like the regular crochet because of the bulkiness, you can go for this. It is called individual crochet installation, and it normally takes like 2 to 3 hours. It kind of give you the look of an individual braid. Yes, so yeah. So if you don't like sitting for a long time and you don't like the regular crochet braids, you can always go for individual crochet installation. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy the video.